It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hello learners, this is K. Momeshwarao. I am educator at Unacademy, having 20 plus years of teaching experience in teaching mathematics. All the aspirants who are preparing for GATE and ESE in mechanical engineering, civil engineering and electrical engineering branches, there is a special announcement regarding Unacademy Combat, which is most competitive gamified GATE and ESE battle. This will be fortnightly combat and will be held every alternative Sunday. Every alternative Sunday starting from 13th December 2020 at 12 p.m. Starting from 13th December 12 p.m. Enroll now using code KUR75. Enroll now using code KUR75. It is a free live Unacademy Combat. Participate in this combat to win exciting prizes and get more XP points, which reduces the price of Unacademy subscription. Rather than that, use code KUR75 to get 10% off. Here you can analyze your rank for every 15 days and know where you stand among the best. The best questions to bringing out the best in you. The questions are prepared by India's best Unacademy educators, which are the subject specialists. Here you will find the quizzes for civil engineering, mechanical engineering and electrical engineering. These quizzes are ultimately play best role in your preparation for GATE and ESE. Here in Unacademy Combat, there are challenging questions which are based on exam oriented pattern. These are live combats with thousands of learners, real-time leaderboards. After every question, to keep you going, you will know exactly what is your rank among 50,000 live learners. Instantly see the answers you got correct. The charts on the leaderboards, instantly see the answers you got correct, where you stand among the learners, other learners of India. Know where you stand among the best. detailed video solutions by the top educators of the country. Here's what you will need to do next to be a part of India's biggest GATE and ESE knowledge battle. Step 1. Download the Unacademy Learning app. Step 2. Enroll for the combat using code KUR75. Step 3. Compete live. Step 4. Win rewards and prizes. Win rewards and prizes. Compete, crack, conquer. You will know exactly what is your score, what is your rank. According to that, win exciting prizes. And you will also get XP points which you will encash at the time of purchasing Unacademy subscription. Win exciting prizes. First prize Apple MacBook. Second prize Apple iPod. Third prize Apple AirPods. For top 100 rankers, 1000 rupees worth Amazon vouchers. Enroll for free. Commences from 13th December. Register now using the link given below in the description box. For mechanical engineering, 13th December 2020, total number of questions are 15, time duration is 60 minutes, negative score for incorrect answers. For civil engineering, 13th December at 12 p.m, total number of questions are 15, time duration is 60 minutes, negative score for incorrect answers. For electrical engineering, 13th December at 12 p.m, total number of questions are 15, time duration is 60 minutes, negative score for incorrect answers. These all tests are based on revised syllabus of GATE 2021. It is a free live combat. Enroll now in Unacademy Combat using code KUR75. Using code KUR75. Thank you.
साधन सी है ये बात, परीक्षा करनी है पास, रोके रखना।